Good morning, Instagram. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Twitter. How's everybody feeling today? Today is the 18th of December, getting close to the time where I feel like we're not gonna have so much volume. So, be kind of interesting to see what we can do today. What's going on, buddy? What's going on? Good to see you, Witty Wicks. Just chilling here right now. Wanted to take a 15-minute position, but honestly, that 15-minute candle to me is a little too big, and I really like how that 4 hours looking bullish. So if the 15-minute closed like a little bit more, kind of like more like the top of the resistance rather than just pushing down so aggressive on the 15, I may have took a sell position, but honestly, I'm going to show you what I'm talking about on the 4 hour. And at this point, I'm kind of waiting more for a buy position because I feel like that buy position is going to play out a little bit more better, and also have more of a it's going to have more of a opportunity to push further in profits. And I'll show you what I'm talking about right now. So my idea was here, if we could have this 4 hour candle, if we could close above this resistance, I believe that we would have a really good chance to go ahead and start pushing and potentially retest those areas at, high levels of, 2027, 2038, stuff like that. But the key thing here would be, obviously, we need this 4 hour candle to go ahead and close bullish for us. I was actually on here early enough to catch a sell position. My thing was, I just didn't like how that 15-minute candle was like a 35 pip stop loss. To me, I just want to kind of stay away from taking positions over 25 pips, just because at that point I don't feel like it's so much of a scalping position. No, I'm not waiting for the 4 hour close. I'm keeping in the back of my head that the second I get a buying opportunity, whether that be a 30-minute support, a 15-minute support, basically, yeah, I'm waiting for the 15-minute support. I'm waiting for some type of buy confirmation so that we can continue going up further bullish. But yeah, personally, that sell position, I just stayed away from it because it pushed down so aggressive. And in my opinion, looking at these like lower time frames, bro, it just looks like there's so many spots where it could catch support that I feel like I'd rather wait for that daily candle in the 4 hours, since they're both bullish. Just wait for that buy opportunity so that NYSE volume can help carry that position. But as I'm seeing so far, this candle here, this 15-minute candle, is almost pushing, I have to say, close to 1-to-1. So it may be closing in close to 35 pip push. If that is the case, that's super amazing. It just shows you how simple it really can be. But at the same time, I just trying to stay away from that big stop loss. Yeah, I got 37 pip. Yeah, it's still got some pushing to do if it wants to make up for that. It's right now about 20 pips profit. The sell position would have been, but still got another like 10 more pips left in it to get that 1-to-1. So I'm pretty happy about the decision of staying out of the position. But I do know, coming in with NYSE volume coming up here in about 7 minutes, Kind of curious to see how this 30-minute does. You know, the 30 minutes closing very, very bearish. Obviously, the volume can continue bearish, but as well, the volume can also just reverse and kick right back up, and maybe able to get that buy position I'm looking for on the 15. But it's all a matter of patience and just seeing what happens here. Might even get risky if this 5-minute can actually close bullish for me. Might go ahead and take a shot here on this 5-minute candle, just because I feel like, even though I do know that 30-minute is closing bearish, I feel like it's getting to that turning point. And if we can get that first little sign of bullishness, I feel like I may go ahead and take that position. Alright, this next candle could be the one that gets us to take the position potentially. So all I need is that little bullish sign right there. So with that bullish sign, could be a good opportunity for us here. Liking the fact that so far hasn't pushed up so much, so that's given my stop loss above 25 pips, staying right at a level I'd like it to stay at. Very risky position, knowing the fact that 30-minute is closing how it's closing at the moment, especially being that NYC is coming up. NYC could literally just come in and boop, just tap this, but being that this is that first sign with all this consolidation, I honestly, especially that 4-hour and daily, like daily's still bullish. Daily's bullish as can be. 4 hours bullish. It's only right, I feel like, to take this position. We're just gonna be patient, wait for this candle close though. See where it goes. If it goes up, blows up in this 5-minute candle, it blows up. You know what I'm saying? I'd just rather be patient and wait for that close, so I know for sure what's going on. And I really like to see a range wick. I'd like to see some type of wick on top. I don't want to see it close with no wick on top. If it closes with no wick on top, probably not going to go ahead. Not going to take it. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm liking this position so far myself. It is 1 minute, man. But like I said, there's a fat 30-minute candle bearish. But I feel like coupled with that 4-hour and daily candle, I feel like that volume is going to just flip on us. I just feel like it is. But looking at that 30-minute, though, it is still a clean push down. Still a lot of liquidity, though, built right up in here in this price level in 2022, lowest being 2021. So, pretty interesting here. Yeah, folks, we are looking to get up in this position, though. At least I am, for sure. For sure. $35 seconds. Push down just a little bit for me. It's kind of early. It's kind of no wick on top too. Oof. Let's take a look at that. There's no wick on top. What was your stop loss on this? 19 pips. Yeah, 19 pips. So with the 5-minute position, guys, I am looking forward just to close 1-to-1. If this blows up his overall take profit, that's great. But personally, being that this is a scalping position, I'm really looking forward to just going ahead and securing that 19 pips and calling it cool. But honestly, that no wick on top, oh, that was kind of not my favorite, to be honest. Oh shit. NYSE volume, baby. Holy. I'm gonna get this finger ready to close. If I can put my hand down for a second, that shit start moving. Hey, what's going on, Kerwin? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Kerwin Jones, my boy, how you feeling today, man? We're taking a risky little 5-minute position here. Anticipating that price and volume should switch here. We got a 4-hour bullish candle along with a daily bullish candle. I do notice that on the 30 and 15-minute, we are trending pretty much bearish at this point, but with so much liquidity built up around 2022 and 2021, I'm looking forward to trying to capitalize on this support position that we potentially may be able to grab here on the 5-minute. Is a very risky position. I am aware of that, but it is the risk I'm willing to take for this morning, and looking to take probably just one trade today and call it a day. Wasn't necessarily on the charts for New York Open, but not too much happened during New York Open. There was a position at 5 a.m. 6 a.m. for any of my Eastern time people, but at 6 a.m. 30-minute candle close, there was actually a pretty nice position that went on. Now at this point, if we can get a 15-minute candle to close bullish, that would be huge. If there could be like a 15-minute catch and support closing bullish, that would be huge. That would be huge for this 5-minute position at least. I do understand there should be some form of liquidity wick here on this 5-minute candle. Hopefully we can end up flipping bullish to make this a liquidity candle and this being a range candle. So far it is vice versa. This is the liquidity candle and this is the range candle as of right now, since we are bearish with this 5-minute. Got 13 seconds left though, so kind of anticipating this candle here closing bearish at this point. Which kind of hurts the probability here. So this could be NYC volume looking to take me out of the position potentially. Just gonna stay locked in, calm, and focused. These next two candles here are going to be pretty important to this position, being that we have that 15-minute coming in here soon. So far not looking so good though, if I'm being honest. Not looking so good. This candle here really kind of changed that. But I can't be complaining too much, especially with this candle not closing with any type of range wick. There's no range wick on this candle, so it's kind of like flipping a coin here at this point. It's kind of like a little bit of a 50-50 ratio. Just didn't want to miss my buy opportunity, so I got a little excited there. Once I seen that close bullish, I just want to enter, give that 5-minute idea, try and test that idea here. Not necessarily lost any confidence necessarily in the position, but I have understood that my probabilities are getting slimmer and slimmer by the candles are printing. Check that old 15. Yeah, 15 is not helping me out here for sure. Really hoping this next 5-minute candle catches this little support here. We can respect it. Keep pushing up. These candles here are getting weaker and weaker in my opinion, especially on that 5-minute time frame. So I potentially may have that chance where we can catch this little support here and keep pushing back in profits. Looking at the 15, I feel like it has pushed down enough to have gotten that one-to-one on this position at least. Let's take a look. So it was about pretty much like a 36 pip. Yeah, if we still yet to even push 36 pips, that's crazy. Yeah, at this point, guys, I'm kind of accepting the loss here at this point. There it goes, yeah. Well, it was an idea here, but definitely ended up not turning out for the best favor. Retracement play looked beautiful though. If we're talking about sell retracement plays, 5-minute pushed up, got a nice little candle here respecting it. Looking back at it, this could have easily been a sell retracement play. Could have just switched the old bias, but didn't want to get too wishy-washy with it, knowing that the higher time frames are more bullish. But from learning today, it doesn't always mean everything, especially whenever you got 30 minutes, 15 minutes still printing bearish. So not bad, not bad. It was really a good learning opportunity. I really liked being able to try and utilize that 5 minute. Didn't push too much in profits at all. Pretty much only about 10 pips. It's a little unfortunate, but it is what it is, folks. But again, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into the stream today. Woody Wicks, Kerwin Jones, man, I appreciate y'all tuning into the stream today. Give you guys a little bit of a, definitely a bunch of different ideas, but was able to see some trade management and some risk management there. The risk management solely was on the 1.5% stop loss. Just not going to move it, not going to mess with it. Just go ahead and take the old 1.5% to the chin and look for a better position coming tomorrow. Thank you guys again so much for tuning into the stream today. I really appreciate it, guys. And we'll be seeing each other tomorrow, most definitely. Hopefully we can get this winning streak going again and make it happen, boys. Thank you again so much for tuning in. I really appreciate everybody. God bless and have a great day.